Sri Aurobindo Shishiniketan is one of the popular and top-rated schools in West Bengal with an excellent academic track record. They are trying their best to provide an educational system that can help our nation to learn more. Let's hear some valuable remarks from the principal of the school.
Namaskar. This is Shamol Kanti Bose, the principal of Sri Aurobindo Shishiniketan at Kamakhaguri. I am giving some valuable information about our school to you. Education is the first thing. Without education, man cannot be a man. Sri Aurobindo Shishiniketan is a reputed kindergarten at Kamakhaguri in the district of Alipurduar, West Bengal. Since 1996, experienced teachers and staff are dedicating themselves to build up the little learners with full care and parently affection. Different subjects such as English, Bengali, Hindi, mathematics, science, geography, history, general knowledge, etc. are taught in the school. Education is the manifestation of perfection already in man. So, the students need real education so that they can grow themselves properly, so that they get sound body and strong mind. So, we are trying our best to build up the students properly. Mind creates and mind destroys. So, considering the mental ability each of the learners, education is being imparted to develop the physical and mental growth of the learners. The students are practiced PT parade, drill, yogasan, games and sports, songs, dance, recitation, fine art and crafts. The students can learn computer also. Highly modern technology has been adopted in our school as a part of method for learning for better and more effective education. With projector, the students are taught so that they can understand, they can see and learn the lessons cheerfully, so that they can get the test of learning. The aim of the school is to bring up morality of the students and make them disciplined so that they can overcome the barriers in life and be a perfect man. Our motto is to build up honest, conscious and good citizens who will serve not only their own family or his family and society, but also his own country. We are grateful to the guardians of our students and the people for their kind cooperation, valuable suggestions and inspiration to move forward. Real education makes a man self-dependent. We are trying our best to give the students real education. Play method is followed by us. We are following play method to give the students education. Admission is going on from LKG to standard 5. Seats are limited. So step to our school without delay. Sri Aurobindo said, be conscious first of thyself within, then think and act. Before admit your beloved child to a school, please visit the campus our school. Thank you.